Hey guys, me, Chuck from Backyard Biggers. I'm here at Lowe's picking up a rod and lawnmower. Uh, I don't have a whole lot of money, so I'm going to see what kind of lawnmower I can get on the budget I have. This video was inspired by Roopster 760. I'll leave a link to his channel in my description, and let's see what they got. Alright guys, come on. Alright guys, so I'm on a budget. I don't have a very big yard. I'm maybe a half an acre of grass to cut. So these are more your industrial size here. I'm not looking for nothing like that. Of course, it'd always be nice. Okay. So these are more around in my price range. Like here, the $12.99, which I don't really like that. I live on a hill, and I just don't seem like it'd be a really good lawnmower to stay stable on a hill. We got the Craftsman's. That's got a 36-inch deck on it, which I need to go a little bit bigger than that one. All right, here's the Craftsman's. It's got a 42-inch deck on it. Might want to check out that one. All right, that seems to be the more popular one here. It's got a 46-inch deck. And the price is at $549. That's around my price range that I want to spend. All right, I've decided I'm going to get the 46. I'm going to look up under the hood here to see what we're working with. All righty, it's a 8.5. Okay. It's got a small gas tank on it, which is fine because I don't have that big of a yard to cut. Okay. There's a forward, neutral, and reverse there. Sorry, move my hand out of the way, maybe you guys can see. All right, just got it home. It rides good. If I have any complaint at all, it's the deck. It's a little. You gotta have a good grip and a good hard pull on it. So it's not easy to get the deck up and down. But that would be the only complaint I have. But it's still not bad. It's manageable. Love the tires. It's the battery. Oh, sorry about the hand. All right. That concludes my purchase of the Craftsman rod and lawnmower T140. Thank you. No, don't forget, like, subscribe, hit me up in the comments, And don't forget to hit the bell notification. That way you get notified anytime I go live or I'll put out new content. Special thanks to Roopster 760. And I'll put his information to his channel on my descriptions. Thank you guys.